Okay students, now I will be demonstrating the use of NOT gate. First we will see the demonstration of using of NOT gate. Now the IC, first and foremost thing you should know the IC number. What is the IC number of NOT gate? So if you see in the pin diagram here, the IC number of NOT gate is 7404. So here also in the laboratory you are supposed to ask for the IC number for the respective gates, for AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate and all. You are supposed to ask with the IC number, then the instructor would provide you the respective ICs. So you should remember the IC number. You need not remember the pin diagram. For the exams and all, we will be providing the pin diagrams for you. Just remember the IC numbers. Now the working of a NOT gate. What is a NOT gate? The NOT gate is basically an inverter. So how does it work? So there will be two outputs of the NOT gate. When is the output high? The output is high when the input is low, and the output is low when the input is high. So when you give input as low, your output will be high. When we give the output as high, when we give the input as high, the output will be low. So this is the symbol of NOT gate. When A is given as input, output will be A bar. So A bar means 0. When 1 is given as input, output will be 0. So the other way. So you can see here the truth table. A is 0, A bar is 1, A is 1, A bar will be 0. Okay. Now we will be demonstrating this. I will show you how does it work with the trainer kit. So now that you are familiar with the trainer kit, I have shown you how to work with the trainer kit. The first and foremost thing what you are supposed to do, remember that first grounding and VCC you do first. Okay, so which is the first thing we are supposed to connect to the ground? So to the ground here, connect the pin number 7. Connect it to pin number 7. So you can see here to this 7th pin I am connecting the ground pin. Okay, and to the VCC I am connecting what? Pin number 14. You can see here which is my pin number 14. This is pin number 14. So made a connection here. And then as in the diagram you can see, let's go to the pin diagram and you can see here 1 is the input pin. Okay, 1 is the input pin, 2 is the output pin, 3 is the input pin, 4 is the output pin, 5 is the input pin, 6 is the output pin, and 7 is grounded. 8 is the 9 is the input pin, 8 will be the output pin. Similarly here 11 is input, 10 is output. Similarly 14th pin will be connected to VCC. 14th pin will be connected to VCC. Now did you see? 1 will be given to the input, second pin will be connected to the output. Now let's demonstrate that. We'll be seeing here. When we are seeing here, let's first connect to the input pin. So which is our input pin? Pin number 1. So let's connect the pin number 1 to where? Input. So which among these are the inputs? As I told already, logic input switches. These are the input pins, and these are the output pins we'll be connecting. So to the black switches here, you are connecting the input pins. So any one of the pins you can connect it here. So any one of the input switches you can connect. So first pin I have connected to the input pin, and the second pin is output pin. You can see here in the diagram. So pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 is output pin. So pin number 1 we have already connected. Let's go to pin number 2. Connect this to any one of this output pin will be connecting here. Okay. Now we'll place the IC. If you can see the number, so what is the IC of the NOT gate? The IC of the NOT gate is 7404. So I hope you are able to read the number here. IC number, it is 7404. So this is the 14-bit IC of NOT gate, 7404. Okay. Now let me place this into the IC slot. So how do I place this? I have told you there is a top notch here or an edge being given that has to be placed at the top, so that this side, the left side pins starts numbering from pin number 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So I'll place it this way. Where the top notch is at the top, I'll place it this way, edge, and then close the IC holder like this, so that our IC is tightly fixed into the IC slot. So let me power on the trainer kit now. Before that, you are supposed to see here that my main switch is on or not. So usually our main switch will be in the off mode. So all the connections you would have been done properly, but sometimes you would have forgotten to switch on the mains. So you need to first switch on the mains like this, okay, then switch on the power on the IC trainer kit like this. So now you can see the glowing button there, that means the trainer kit is in on mode. Now let us see how does it work. You can see my input, which is the input pin here. This is here is what I have connected, isn't it? So it is a low. Low means what? 0. When it is 0, output is high. So when I make it high, output is low. So everybody can view this. My input is low, so my output is high. This is the input and this is the output. Okay, see properly, this is the input and this is the output. When my input is low, the output is high. When my input is high, the output indicator is low. So this completes the demonstration of NOT gate. I hope things are clear.